Hi, I'm Rachel Cole, and this is my forensic argumentative speech on plastic water bottles. My claim is that the dilemma of the overuse of plastic in America will not be solved by using plastic water bottles multiple times. This is because using a plastic water bottle more than once is dangerous to the human body. However, scientists have found a temporary solution to the damage of plastic usage. Plastic water bottles are not meant to be reused. While it is found that if you take the time to wash them thoroughly, they can become sanitary and safe to reuse once. Though this is a difficult task, you have to get through the narrow opening with a brush and rinse with warm, soapy water because using a dishwasher does not do the job as well as by hand. If a plastic water bottle is reused without any cleaning, especially when in the heat, the material can damage the body. If plastic is heated, certain chemicals could leach from the plastic into whatever the container holds. Additionally, when left in the environment, plastic water bottles, often containing these bacteria to make them flexible and less brittle, become susceptible to environmental contaminations that exhibit hormone-like behavior. This data supports the claim. The first and second pieces describe how plastic water bottles become dangerous to use once exposed to the heat and why it is hard to clean them well for the possibility of a safe reuse. This is important to the claim. It shows that reusing plastic water bottles does not help the environment because it damages the human body, and it is an unreliable source of drinking. Helping the environment does not mean you can take bodily risk for results. Helping the environment should be done safely. Plastic water bottle usages often result in forgetfulness. It is estimated that 8,300 million metric tons of virgin plastic have been produced, and 79% of it is accumulated in landfills or the natural environment. With this percentage just being from on land and not counting what has been dumped into the ocean, an evident change is in desperate need now. One solution provided is using water refill stations around campuses and buildings to reduce the number of disposable plastic water bottles by utilizing refillable water bottle stations. This eliminates many usages of bringing plastic water bottles to school because students don't have a place to refill their water bottles. It reminds people how much water is saved with the electronic description on the station, helping people see the environmental changes they're making. The third paragraph describes how people often use plastic water bottles because they either forget water at home or don't have a clean faucet to refill their reusable water bottles. A solution is offered where college campuses have inserted water refill stations for these reasons, and in turn, it has saved the number of plastic water bottles used. This is important for the claim because it gives a solution to the plastic water bottle dilemma that is safe for people and the environment. About 90% of plastic water bottle waste goes to landfills, and it takes PET, which is the structure water bottles are made of, years to accumulate in landfills. The last piece of the data gives factual evidence as to why the environment is wronged by plastic water bottles. Without being recycled, plastic takes a very long time to get accumulated and simply just turns to waste. This is important to the claim because it shows the damage that plastic does, and it gives readers a reason to use the solutions and think about the consequences of plastic. This is also an example of backing because it is a justification of the claim and warrant. Some people can disagree that reusing water bottles is dangerous for the human body. They believe that if the water bottle is not used in the heat, then it is safe to reuse. This is untrue, though, because bacteria and other harmful substances can quickly get into the water bottles. As they are difficult to clean with their narrow openings, and as many people don't clean them in general, they are not safe to reuse. Thank you.